Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF document from an iPhone. First, locate the PDF document you need to sign on your iPhone. This could be an attachment in your Mail app, a file in your Files app, or even one received through a messaging service. Simply tap on the document to open it in its default preview mode, preparing it for the next step. This process makes signing professional documents incredibly convenient, allowing you to handle important tasks from anywhere. After opening your PDF, look for a small icon that resembles a pen tip or marker. This icon is typically found in the top right corner of your screen, depending on the application you are using to view the PDF. Tap this icon to reveal the markup toolbar at the bottom of your screen. This toolbar provides various options, including drawing tools, text boxes, and, most importantly, the signature tool. Getting to this step is essential for digitally signing your documents without hassle. With the markup toolbar now visible, find the plus sign icon, usually situated on the right side of the toolbar. Tapping this plus sign will open a small menu of advanced markup options. From this menu, select the option labeled Signature. This action is your gateway to either creating a brand new digital signature using your finger on the screen or choosing one you have previously saved on your iPhone. It truly simplifies the signing process. Once you have created your signature or selected an existing one, it will immediately appear on your PDF document. You can easily move this signature to the correct line or field by simply dragging it with one finger. To adjust its size, look for the small blue dots or handles at the corners of the signature box. Drag these handles inward or outward to resize the signature until it fits perfectly, ensuring it looks professional and neat on your document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.